Hi, Jeff here at StopTheSnirt.com. Snirt happens, let's stop it. Let me show you why Snirt happens in your garage, your shed, your work area, warehouse, loading docks, and so forth. We have this free Snirt gauge. Snirt happens because you lose heat with our heat gobbler. Ice can happen because you get freezing of your garage doors, your sheds doors. Grubby monsters, dirt, mice gets into your work area and garage because Snirt happens. Let me show you how Snirt happens, and we can stop it for you. Snirt happens at 1/32 of an inch, and when that happens, you get ice, snow, water, rain into your work area and garage, and that's not safe. Snirt happens at 1/16 of an inch, and then you get these spiders, bugs, and those Snirt monsters into there. And then less than a pencil width, you get this Snirt monster. You get mice, snakes, and other things in your garage. We have two products. Our bottom sealer will seal up a gap of up to 2 inches, and it insulates. I'll just show you quickly. This is our bottom seal that seals and insulates your garage and work area to stop Snirt from happening. And then we also have our side and top seal. Also, it insulates, seals, made from a kevlar belting material that's very strong and long lasting. Snirt happens, stop it. You can visit us at StopTheSnirt.com or call us at 800-250-5502. Snirt happens, stop it.